Welcome to our in-depth guide on chemical peels. Chemical peels are a popular and effective skincare treatment used to enhance the appearance and texture of your skin. By applying a chemical solution to the skin, these peels exfoliate the surface and promote the growth of a new and healthy skin. Today, we'll explore the different types of chemical peels, their benefits, and what you can expect from the treatment. Types of chemical peel. There are 3 types of chemical peels, each with its unique benefit and applications. The first is the superficial peel, which uses mild acid like alpha hydroxy acid to exfoliate the outer layer of the skin. This treatment is ideal for treating minor skin imperfections such as dryness and dullness. The second type of peel is the medium peel, which uses trichloroacetic acid to penetrate deeper into the skin. It is effective for addressing issues like skin damage, fine lines, and uneven pigmentation. Lastly, the deep peel utilizes phenol and strong acids to reach the deeper layer of the skin, making it suitable for more severe conditions like deep wrinkles and significant sun damage. Benefits of chemical peel. Chemical peel offer a range of benefits depending on the type and the depth of the peel used. For superficial peels, you can expect improvement in skin texture, tone, and brightness. They help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and minor acne scars while boosting the overall skin radiance. Medium peels are particularly effective for treating aging spots, moderate sun damage, and deeper acne scars. They also promote collagen production, leading to a firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Deep peel provide dramatic results, targeting severe skin imperfections and significantly improving the skin quality and appearance. They can effectively reduce deep wrinkles and sun-induced skin damage, but require a longer recovery period. So what to expect during and after the peel? Before undergoing a chemical peel, your skin will be thoroughly cleaned and protective skin barrier may be applied. During the procedure, you might experience tingling, burning sensation as the chemical solution is applied. The depth of the discomfort varies based on the type of the peel used. After the treatment, you may notice redness, peeling, and sensitivity in the treated area. Recovery time depends on the type of the peel used. Superficial peels typically require minimal downtime, while the medium and deep peels may involve several days of recovery. It is also essential to follow post-peel care instructions, including moisturizing, avoiding sun exposure, and using gentle skincare products to ensure optimal results. Conclusion. In summary, chemical peels are a versatile and effective treatment for improving the skin appearance and addressing various skin concerns. By understanding the different type of peel, their benefits, and what to expect from them, you can make an informed decision about whether a chemical peel is right for you. Consult with the skincare professional to determine the best approach for your skin type and desired outcomes, and enjoy the rejuvenating effect of this transformative treatment.